Hi guys, another simple recipe coming your way. This is the way I love to make or love to prep chicken breast for my weekly meals. So whether that's to take to work or to assist my daily lunches and dinners. So I like to prep some things to make the daily routine a little bit easier, and this is my favorite way of making the chicken breast. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's get started. We are gonna start with the spice mix. So I have a small bowl here, and I'm gonna start with a heaped teaspoon of dry garlic, also a teaspoon of dry oregano, and also a teaspoon of dry thyme, and then a heaped teaspoon of red paprika or smoked paprika, about half a teaspoon of curry. Mine is a little bit spicy, and then about a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You could leave this out if you don't want to make it spicy. So 1 teaspoon of salt, and lastly some freshly ground black pepper. And then you just want to add in olive oil, just as much as needed for everything to kind of mix in and combine and make a thick paste. Just gonna add a tiny bit more. And when it's looking like this, so you could add a little bit less, so this is fairly runny already. But you just want all of the spices to kind of be well mixed. And then I have an oven-proof dish here, to which I'm gonna add my chicken breasts. And it's okay if there's not too much space in between them. And then we are going to add the marinade on top, or the spice rub, and then you just want to rub it in well from all of the sides so that all of your chicken breasts are well covered with the spices. And then what you want to do is you can either take the chicken breasts out half an hour to 1 hour before you start prepping, so making the marinade and so on, or you can take them out, marinate, and then leave for half an hour to 1 hour before you bake, so that they're not cold from the fridge when you start baking them. And then we just want to cover it up with some foil. And you want to bake it according to the recipe, and as always the recipe can be found down below in the description box. This is a really quick to make recipe, so the only thing you need to do is to mix the spices, and the spice mix is a kind of a suggestion, so if there's anything you don't like in there, you can change it up a little bit. And also you can make it more bare kind of, so then I would probably use just salt and pepper and some oregano and thyme, and it will still taste really delicious. Since it's a dish that's baked in the oven, you need either an oven-proof dish. You can use an oven-proof dish like I did and then cover it up with some foil, or you can use a dish that has a lid. The lid should be, it should close the dish really well so that the air kind of stays inside. And another alternative is, if you don't have any of those, so if you don't have any oven-proof dish, then you still can make this. You can just wrap the chicken in some aluminium foil. If you don't want to place the chicken directly on the foil, you can add a layer of parchment paper, then place the chicken there, wrap it, so close it really nice and tight, and then you can bake it that way. Be careful when you open it up because there's gonna be a lot of steam, so that's the moment where you should be really careful and just slowly open it up and away from your face so that you don't get all of the steam into your face. So as I said, this is a great meal prep recipe because you can then store the chicken or allow it to cool and store it in the fridge and use it for salads, for some pasta dishes, for some sandwiches. So it's a really great meal prep and you'll have enough of chicken for maybe a week if you're making for one person, or you can double up the recipe and make enough for two as well. If you're enjoying these recipes, you know what to do. Don't forget that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now. And if you don't forget to tap the bell, you will get a notification every time a new video comes up. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.